Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need a Microsoft account and the Bing app. Once you have them, sign in and opt into Microsoft Rewards right away. You'll want to set your account region to a supported country and enable notifications so you don't miss daily sets. Start performing searches with the Bing app now, use it for your normal web queries, and let the app log points. This first burst of activity begins the earning cycle, and it's how you build toward a Roblox redemption. Once you're collecting basic search points, focus on daily sets and quizzes inside the Rewards tab. These are small, repeatable point gains you can finish quickly. Make sure to use Bing on both mobile and PC, and take advantage of any Edge browser search bonuses when available, because those stack. Complete time-limited offers and mobile-only tasks for larger point boosts. Check the rewards dashboard frequently, so you prioritize high-value activities and seasonal promotions that speed you toward a Roblox gift card. When you have enough points, go to the rewards catalog and choose a Roblox gift card or Robux code. Redeem it and note the delivery method, digital code or email. Then open your Roblox account, enter the code on the gift card redemption page, and confirm Robux or credit appears in your balance. If something goes wrong, code not received or incompatible region, double-check the Microsoft account region and the Roblox account region, retry redemption. And if needed, contact Microsoft or Roblox support with order details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.